Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn driving online. First, research your state's specific driving requirements and laws to ensure you meet all criteria. Next, enroll in an approved online driver education course that covers essential topics. This initial step helps you understand foundational knowledge, like basic vehicle controls and common road signs, all from the comfort of your home. It's a great way to build a strong theoretical base before hitting the road. Once enrolled, dive deep into the course material. Focus on mastering traffic laws, defensive driving techniques, and crucial road safety principles. Many online programs offer interactive simulations, which are excellent for practicing hazard perception and decision-making in a safe environment. Regularly completing practice tests will solidify your knowledge, ensuring you grasp all the necessary theoretical concepts thoroughly. As you approach the end of your online course, it's time to prepare for your permit test. Review all course materials thoroughly, paying close attention to areas where you felt less confident. Take multiple online practice permit tests. Aiming for scores above 80% is a good benchmark. Once you feel ready, schedule your official written permit test at your local Department of Motor Vehicles. Congratulations on passing your written test and obtaining your learner's permit. This marks the exciting transition to practical driving. You'll now begin supervised behind-the-wheel training with a licensed driver, accumulating the required hours. Practice driving in various conditions, including different times of day and weather, to gain valuable real-world experience. Remember, consistent practice is key to becoming a confident and safe driver.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.